Good morning, YouTube. This is Tim. Having a little bit of car trouble today, so I thought no garage sales, but just so happens there's one right around the corner from my house. So I'm gonna go for a little walk, see what they got. And I guess if I don't find anything, I probably won't even put this video up. But if you're seeing this, then I probably found something. All right, we'll see you when I get done. Oh, yeah.
Headboards, queen size in here. It's
Yeah.
brand new.
But all this rain, our backyard.
It's flooded.
Yeah,
We can't
it's
get to our shed.
been real bad. Although I noticed they dug out some of the ditches
They finally
here
did
and
it,
there.
and it did help because our yard here, before they dug it out, when it rained, it come almost in the house.
Yeah. My parents live right over here.
Okay.
Yeah, and he had to buy.
It was flooded too.
He had to buy a pump to start pumping it out
Yes.
after the last couple of
I
rains.
bought a pump so I could pump it on the other side.
Yeah, that's what he said he was doing. He's pumping it across the street.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
I know it. He does not know how to operate that. He bought it brand spanking new.
Yes,
No,
I do
you
know how
don't.
to operate, but I got the big hose I don't have.
Oh yeah.
It's
But I've used it 2 or 3 times. My problem is, and I don't know what happened to my hose, but my problem is I have arthritis in my hands real bad, and I could not get
Can't
it
get
pulled
in
out.
there. Yeah, some of those are really difficult.
Yeah,
those
yeah.
connectors are.
Yeah.
How much you asking for it?
25.
25. I don't know if I should spend that much this morning. I might be in trouble if I drag that home.
yeah, we know the feeling.
Chessboard.
Anybody wants to buy a truck?
That one.
Yeah.
How much you asking for it?
We're asking 2.
2?
Yeah.
2,000? That's not bad.
It has a few problems with it.
Yeah.
I mean, it's only actually got 137,000 miles.
Oh, that's not bad.
No, it's a good motor, but
We're on a fixed income.
But
Yeah.
But the air conditioner don't work.
Yeah.
And the voice up here told me it was the clutch on it wasn't turning.
Yeah.
So that don't work. And then there's, for some reason, sometimes when you start it to take off, it's a little rough till it smooths out. Or you get up on the highway and get 50, 60, it'll be a little rough. But then it'll smooth out and drive good.
Yeah.
And again, Royce told me he thought it was maybe a coil pack or something like that. I'm not sure.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's a knee brace. How much is the coffee maker?
The what?
The coffee maker?
$5.
$5. I'll take it.
Okay.
Just gonna set it over here.
Okay.
Keep looking around.
No problem.
How much do you want for the ice maker? I might know somebody else.
She wants 50.
50? Okay.
Yeah. And like I say, it does work really good.
Yeah.
She give about $100, 99. So.
Oh yeah. Sure about my kids too, but they were sleeping.
Yeah, those we sell you two for $1.
2 for $1.
We had some big ones.
Yeah.
dimensioned ones that come out of that warehouse, and we sold them individually.
Oh yeah.
That there is one of my wife's relatives. Used to hand make them things.
Oh yeah. That's cool. How much do you want for the knee brace?
Is that what that whole thing is?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah,
I
it's
have
neat.
no idea.
$2.
Couple dollars. I'll take it. All right, so I made it back. I did get a couple things. Show you what I got really quick. I'll show you what I got. Got this coffee maker. I don't know if it's worth a whole lot for reselling, but I need another coffee maker, and this one looks like hadn't hardly ever been used. All the plastic and styrofoam stuff down in there. So yeah, I don't see a model number or anything on it. It's just a 12 cup advanced brew. I'll see. It was $5. I couldn't pass it up for $5. My coffee maker's kind of been not acting right lately anyway. Got this. This is a knee brace. I didn't really do any comps on this. I've had alright luck with some knee braces. This looks like one of those, maybe they got it from medical supply, maybe with their insurance or something. These can be rather expensive sometimes, so looks like maybe they never used it. So Dr. Hose. Got a couple other things in there. I'll look it up, see if it's worth anything. It's my free boxes. I got a place that saves boxes for me. This is about what they save up in a week, so it's not too many. I can just throw them in my trunk or whatever if I need to. And they have some different odd size boxes, which is good because sometimes I got some odd size things. Got that for TV in my kids' room. Sometimes they watch regular TV. Go figure. I picked up these. These were Sony. I don't know if they're really worth anything, especially kind of not in the greatest shape. MDR V500. They were $1 though, so I figured I'd pick them up for $1. Got a really long cord. And you can see this box of toys. This was separate. We wanted a couple dollars for this. I went and got it. I figured if it ain't worth nothing, the kids will like it. Super soaker, summertime. So, and then I paid $8 for this box of toys. I don't know if it was worth it, but there's some interesting stuff in here. Well, some toys are worth quite a bit. This guy looks kind of cool. This guy was pretty interesting. I figured at least $8 worth of something in here. There's all kinds of stuff in here. Yeah, I mean, there's got to be something worth something in here, surely. I kind of looked at some of the dates on them. They're late 90s, early 2000s. I think that says 1998 Bandai. So, oh, he's missing an arm. Some of them are a little newer, some of them a little older. It's 2006. So, yeah. They're a few years old. Maybe there'll be something in here worth it though. We'll see. Lots of superheroes I noticed. Superhero type things. Yeah. Well, $8, you know. I got kids that'll play with this stuff if it's not. I don't know if you can really see. It's just random stuff. There's a few cars in here. They're really cheap. It's really lightweight. I mean, it's weighs nothing almost. There's a dinosaur man. He's missing a tail. A couple broken things. Something odds and ends. If anything, maybe I'll lot up some stuff if they're worth wallotting up. Not kids and donate. But he's kind of cool looking. Yep. Oh, well, that's about it. It's not even 9 o'clock yet. The garage sale started at 8. I got there a little bit after it started. And it's already hot out here. Humid out here, I guess I should say. But that's all I'm going to today. Car's not here right now. having some problems, so might just get rid of it and get something else. They did have a truck there for sale for like $2,000. Maybe I'll go ask him about his truck later. But anyway, kind of short haul, but hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, whatever, if you want to see more of me doing this. Thank you. Bye.